Hello there, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of hollyhocks. These towering, vibrant flowers are not only a delight to behold in the warmer months, but they can also bring immense joy and charm to your garden. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out in the gardening realm, preparing your hollyhock plants for the winter is crucial to ensure a healthy and hardy display come next spring. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to winterize your hollyhocks, ensuring a thriving garden in the seasons to come. Let's get started. Before we delve into winter care, let's briefly talk about the benefits of growing hollyhocks. Hollyhocks, scientifically known as Alsia, are not only beautiful but versatile. They come in a wide variety of colors: blue, pink, purple, vibrant red, white, yellow, and even black, making them a delightful addition to any garden. Hollyhocks are also great for attracting beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies, aiding in the health and productivity of your garden. Furthermore, their towering presence can add structure and height to your garden design, giving it a magical, fairy tale-like quality. As the cold season approaches, it's vital to ensure that your hollyhocks are well prepared for the winter chill. Proper winter care will help your plants survive the frost and come back even stronger in the spring. Let's dive into the steps for preparing your hollyhock plants for winter. The most important part of preparing hollyhock plants for winter is cutting back old stems and leaves. These plants are prone to illness due to fungus, such as rust disease. Removing old foliage will decrease the chances of spores spreading and affecting your plants. Preparation for winter needs to be done in fall, before the first frost. The exact month can vary depending on the climate of where you live. The ideal timing for cutting down, or cutting back, these plants is after their blooming period and before the worst of the cold. Hollyhock seeds are the key to propagating new plants and sustaining your hollyhock garden year after year. Not only does it save you money, but it also lets you select and nurture the strongest, healthiest plants for the next growing season. You have to know the first step in collecting hollyhock seeds is timing. Wait until the end of the growing season when the flower blooms have faded and the seed pods have formed. Typically, this is in late summer to early fall. Look for seed pods that have turned brown and started to dry. They should feel crisp to the touch. Avoid collecting seeds from green or unripe seed pods, as they won't germinate successfully. Gently pluck the mature seed pods from the hollyhock plant. Place a container, like a paper bag or a shallow tray, beneath the seed pod to catch any seeds that may fall during the process. Carefully open the seed pods to extract the seeds. Once you have the seeds out of the pods, transfer them to a clean, dry surface. Store the seeds in an airtight container, such as a glass jar or a seed envelope. Make sure to label the container with the seed type and collection date. Store the seeds in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their viability. Collecting hollyhock seeds ensures the continuation of your beloved plants in the garden year after year. Now let's focus on an essential aspect of wintering hollyhock plants: when and how to trim back your plants to prepare them for the colder months. Proper trimming ensures your hollyhocks come back strong and beautiful when spring arrives. So let's dive into the specifics. First things first, start by pruning your hollyhock plants. Gather a pair of sharp, clean pruning shears or loppers. Make sure they are clean and in good condition to ensure a clean cut on your hollyhock plants and prevent any tearing or damage. Cut the stems back so what's left sits 6 inches above the ground or crown of the plant. This height provides adequate protection for the plant during winter while allowing for healthy regrowth in the spring. Hollyhock plants are prone to rust disease, so cleanup is important when overwintering hollyhocks. Remove old stems and any infected leaves as they will harbor the fungal infection, and dispose of them before the new spring to prevent spores from spreading during winter. After pruning, it's important to fertilize your hollyhocks. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to provide essential nutrients that will sustain the plants during the winter months. Then, apply a thick layer of organic mulch like straw or wood chips around the base of the trimmed plant. This will help insulate the soil, retain moisture, moderate soil temperature, and protect the roots from extreme cold and freezing. And there you have it. Preparing your hollyhock plants for winter doesn't have to be a daunting task, especially for beginners. By following these steps and showing a little love to your hollyhocks, you'll be well on your way to a garden bursting with beautiful blooms come springtime. Happy gardening, and may your hollyhocks thrive and enchant your garden year after year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. See you in the next video.